Hey Crazy Cuties, welcome back. So excited for today's video. I actually want to do more like first impressions, more review products on my channel, just a little change it up a little bit. But you know me, I don't like doing reviews. I don't like doing just anything like that. I just want to play with the makeup and you get to see it for yourself. But for today's video, I actually want to do a first impressions and review of this product because it was sent to me, which I'm very excited. And yeah, this is the Morphe's new eyeshadow palette they came out with 3 other ones, which I'm very excited about. And I got this for Morphe for free to review this product. So I am very excited about it. Yeah, very am excited. So before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. And of course, want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. So yes, so I did get this palette for free for Morphe to review, and I'm very excited about it. I'm excited about it because this is a beautiful palette. I have not tested out any of it, and this is what it looks like. This is beautiful, very mauve-y, which I love playing mauves anyway because mauves for me is a very unique color, just like purple. I love playing with purple, but mauves can be cool too. It can be neutral and it could be really warm. And I love mauve because it could be a little bit pink, but it could be purple. And it's a beautiful, beautiful color to work with. But yes, so I am going with some dark colors. I do want to play more of the purple shades more than anything. But yes, definitely going with a mauve lip. I'm going with a full-on mauve monochromatic look today. I'm going to put this eyeshadow primer. And of course, all the products will be down below. All the products that I use in this will be listed down below. This is very beautiful. You have really it's a good selection. I really do like that. I like how it gives you a good amount for a 12 eyeshadow palette. It gives you a really nice variety of what you want to use and so on and so forth. My brain is just not gonna. These do not have the names on here on the thing, but they do have it on the back. So yeah, I'm going to use this shade. I will put the name on top for you guys so you know what the shade that I'm using and you can want to create it. Very pigmented on the brush. Not much. It's a little bit kickback, but that's fine with me. So we're just going to go into the crease, which is really pigmented. Then I'm going to use this shade right here. This nice, beautiful light pink. It does have a little bit of kickback, so if you don't care for kickback, maybe. But for me, if there's a little kickback, that's not a problem with me at all. That's you can definitely tell the difference of that pink shade. I'm going to go back to that first shade but I'm going to use this shade right here. It's more of a reddish tone. Go right into right here. Really not going out to the outer V. I'm just going to go close to that edge. I like how these shades, you can tell really the difference of the shades. You can tell which shades you use and that, which I do like. And the formula is really nice. I like the formula. So I'm going to use this darker shade for this. I'm using a very small splitting brush and go into the outer V at the lower line to connect it to the outer part. That's really pretty. I really like that shade. I wish my camera would give you a nice, beautiful, like this. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. The pigmentation, easy to work with, easy to blend. Yeah, not gonna go for a glitter glue because I actually want to see how it looks on the eyes before I really say yeah, because sometimes shimmers can work with that, sometimes it doesn't, depending how I want it. But I want to see how pigmented it's going to be. That's why the only time I use glitter glue when it comes to shimmer, because I want to be high focus, high pigmented, and you're like, Holy crap, I see the shimmer type of deal, but I just want to see how it works myself. I'm going to use this shade right here. Look at that. Ooh. Already loving this. Okay. That's really pretty. Follow me on Instagram. You're going to see more looks like this. Look at that. That pigmentation with that shimmer. Spot on. Spot on. Ooh, it's going to be more beautiful when you add like a glitter primer on it. Ooh. Yes, I really already liking this palette. So, like I said, we're going to stick to the mauves and everything. I'm going to finish up my makeup look, and you're going to see how I really feel about this, even though you already know how I feel about this. Okay, I'm back with this lovely look that I created. I'm such a mauve mood. Yes, a mauve mood today. And I'm really glad I am because guess what? I really, really do enjoy this palette very much, even though I only use it once. But don't worry, on Instagram, you'll probably see 2 or 3 more looks with this palette, which I'm very excited to play with because hopefully I want to see kind of looks that I can come up with. Like I know I can go with really like a baby soft look to dramatic like this, hmm, but this palette is so beautiful. I really like the tones. I definitely want to get the other ones just because I'm a huge collector, especially with the formula stuff. I do like the formula very much. I want to collect them as much as I can. But this is a beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is such a beginner's palette. I can say this is a very beginner's palette. If you want to try it with mobs or try it Morphe themselves, this would be a perfect palette. Yeah, I really, really do like this palette very much. The pigmentation is oh mwah, like that. It was so easy to blend, even though it was really intensity pigmentation, pigmentation and everything. It was really easy to blend. It was easy to work with. It was just like one or two, three, you're done. You can add more. You can build it up if you want, which I do like, and you can make it how soft do you want it, depending on the brushes you're using. But other than that, I really, I highly recommend getting this palette. I even recommend getting the other ones. Like I said, I am planning to get the other ones. And but yeah, I really do like this palette very much. And the packaging, man, it's gorgeous. It definitely reminds me of a rose, and I love roses. Roses are actually my favorite flowers. But yeah, I highly recommend getting this palette and just trying them myself out. But yeah, I highly recommend it. So, yep, this is it for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.